guys. This is Shannon with For Humanities, and we are live this morning. Yesterday, we were doing a t-shirt, and my system was doing some crazy stuff. But today is Tuesday Tea, so we are going to be talking about teas and giving you an opportunity to get started with your t-shirt business at the same time. So again, I am Shannon with For Humanities. We are your online t-shirt brand. We design and create socially conscious t-shirts that spark social change and restore humanity. Now, our goal is to bring you fashions that are definitely relevant, fun, and thought provoking. So, if you are interested in starting your own t-shirt business, we have a one-day masterclass that you can take on getting started with your t-shirt business. And if you opt in to the email list, of course, and get on that email list, you can get it for $50, just $50. So now yesterday I was throwing out this wonderful deal on getting you started on creating your own shirts. So if you were here yesterday, you would have seen that I was designing this t-shirt last night. It was just on the fly. It was just something I was doing at the time and just made it happen. So if you are interested in this tea is going to be available on the link that you see below, bit.ly/shop for humanities, and you will be able to get this tea. So I'm in the process right as we speak, kind of, sort of, before I came on. That's why I was a little late because I was trying to finish it. And I'm kind of like that. I like to finish stuff that I'm doing. So, but I'm not quite finished. And I was like, I got to get this moving. But if you are interested in starting your own t-shirt business and creating designs such as these, you can get started when you opt in to the link right there. You go to bit.ly/the T business, opt in, put your email, put your name, and then you will be able to get it. It's going to kick back to you and give you a link, and you can click on it and get it for $50. So it's going to be a one-day masterclass, and that's what we're going to be doing, showing you how to design, get your t-shirt business done. Now, I also had the crop shop it class, and the crop shop it class is where you would be able to learn how to design as well. So if that's something that you're interested in, here we go. So take a look at this tee and you'll be able to see what it is that I did. Now, this t-shirt says, "I love freedom." Now, you can make this tee do and say whatever it is you like once you learn how to design. And that is what we were doing last night. We were doing a design of this t-shirt, and I just showed you guys how we were doing it. And if you would like to get started in designing your own custom t-shirt, let me get to that link right here and show you. It was called the Crop Shop It. The Crop Shop It is a class where you can learn how to design your own custom t-shirts on your own. And if you saw what we were doing last night, you would have seen that this t-shirt was the one that we did. So this is the Crop Shop It class. It is a $47 class. It is a 2-week session, and we meet for 2 weeks. Yesterday, I gave it for $47. It was 50% off, and you would be able to get this t-shirt and design this shirt or a shirt like your own on your own. And I would show you how to do it. It's not really hard, but using the platform, using Photoshop or Photopea, it's you're able to do it. If you were definitely going to be doing silk screening. Silk screening, when you do your designs, you have to have them in layers. Each color is a layer by itself. Now, when you get into different words, you can make the words be different. You can make the words have different meanings or different layers where they can move in different independently of each other. So if you're interested, you can sign up for the Crop Shop It right there. And there you go. You can see it. But if you would like to get this tea soon, this tea is coming very soon. I was in the process of uploading it and getting it in there, and you can sign up and you can get that one. So for those of you guys who are here and who are seeing this, you can see that. But here is this is the class. If you want to do that one-day master class where I will tell you and show you the things on how to start your t-shirt business. Now, there is not a design option that go with this one. You would have to do that independently because that is a whole nother time. That's part of the T business. That's the whole. So I'm kind of breaking them down for you guys because sometimes you might not be, you may be budgetary confinements. You're not able to do the whole thing, but you can start it and do it in little pieces. So we got the T business totally that you can do, or either you could break it down where you learn how to design on your own. Then you could start your t-shirt business at the same time or during that time frame. So for those of you guys who are here, I definitely appreciate you guys. This shirt is one that we did, but you know what? Come to think of it, we can actually, we got a little bit of time, just a little bit of time to go ahead and design another one. I wanted to actually edit that one and I wanted to change it a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys my screen. We're going to do another screen share, and then we're going to basically go into that design really quickly. So just give me a second and I'll give you that. So now you can see what it was I was working on yesterday. This is the design in its raw form. This is what we did yesterday. And then right now, what I wanted to do is I want to actually change the design a little bit. And what I'll do is I'm going to hide that part. So let me move some of this down. And let's go down. Uh-oh. So hold tight. Let me move my little layers down. So instead of saying freedom, I did want to change it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide this, and then I'm going to do another layer. And this particular layer is going to have, I wanted to change this to God. So I am going to do that. And then now we have totally changed this design into another one. And it's just that simple, just as simple as that. So now you have a shirt that says, I love God, and you're done. So I'm going to save this one as a PSD. And then what you do is you take the background out of it and then you save it as a PNG. So now what that means is that, and then for those of you guys who use Cricut, you could save it as a SVG. And then once you save it as a SVG, then you could actually turn that into one of those wonderful little thingies that you guys do. So that is what we got. So for those of you guys who are coming in here and you're seeing what we're doing, if you're interested and you want to learn how to do this and do other designs, you can sign up for the Crop Shop It class. But if you're interested in starting your own team, then you could definitely opt in right here and do the one-day masterclass for $50. And we'll show you and tell you all the things about starting your t-shirt business. And then once you're ready with that and got all your stuff in order, then we can move you over into the Crop Shop It class, where you will be able to get that Crop Shop It class at definitely a great price. So I thank all of you guys for coming. And again, for those of you guys who was here last night, you were able to see the design that we did yesterday. And this one was just saying, I love freedom, and definitely in line with Black History Month. We definitely love freedom, and freedom is definitely for us all. So for those of you guys who are here, let me see if you guys could see that, because sometimes my screen sharing skills kind of like get mixed up. But there you go. So let me show you what this shirt looks like. There you go. And if you're interested, the link below for this shirt is going to be available. And the one we just did just a minute ago, I love God. If you would like to have the I love God tee, you will be able to get that one too. Once I upload it, it'll probably be uploaded later on today. And just hit me a message and let me know what you're interested in, and we could make it happen. So once again, we just created the I Love God tee. We took the same design and we just edited it. You can, the thing is that once you get something that's a staple that looks good, all you have to do is change it. You just edit it a little bit, and then now you have a whole new design. So thank you guys. You guys have a wonderful day. And again, today is Tuesday Tea, and that is where we are talking all about teas and giving you guys that opportunity to do so too. So you guys have a great morning. See you guys later. Bye.